I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York is brighter than blue. We're longing to stray right to the very heart of it. New York, New York, and I will miss the skyline. Want to wake up in a city that never sleeps. And by 19 of the hill, top of the hill, this little town blue, they're melting away. I'll make a brand new start in all New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York.